Credit building cards work in one of two ways. Either they give you a traditional secured credit card that reports directly to credit bureaus, or they use an app-based system that tracks your financial behavior inside a platform. Arro Card and Discover It Secured sit in those two categories. By the end, you'll know how each one builds credit, what makes them different in structure and reporting, and which option is more reliable if your goal is steady credit growth in 2026. Start with Discover It Secured from Discover Financial Services. This is a traditional secured credit card, which means you put down a refundable security deposit, and that becomes your credit limit. What that means in practice is simple. You use it like a normal credit card, you make monthly payments, and your activity gets reported to credit bureaus. That creates a standard credit history that lenders understand easily. The key advantage here is structure. Because it behaves like a regular credit card, it gives you a clear path to building credit through consistent payments and responsible usage. Now look at Arro Card. Arro is more of a mobile-first financial product that focuses on how you manage money inside its app ecosystem, rather than operating like a traditional secured credit card. That difference matters. Discover It Secured is tied to a fixed credit line backed by your deposit. Arro is tied more to behavior inside the app, which means your experience depends on how the system evaluates your activity over time. Now the key question: which one is better for credit building? Discover It Secured is usually stronger if your goal is predictable credit growth through a system that credit bureaus already understand. Since it works like a standard credit card, your payment history and usage show up in a very familiar format to lenders. Arro can still help build credit-related habits, but its effectiveness depends more on how consistently it reports and how your behavior fits its internal model. That makes it more flexible, but also less standardized compared to a traditional secured card. So here's the real breakdown. If you want a straightforward, proven credit building tool with a refundable deposit and clear reporting structure, Discover It Secured is the more reliable choice. If you prefer a flexible app-based system that adapts to your financial behavior, Arro offers a different approach but with less predictability. Both can help you build credit when used responsibly, but they work through different systems. One is a traditional secured credit card. The other is a behavior-based financial app. Quick recap. Discover It Secured is structured and widely recognized by lenders. Arro is flexible and app-driven. Both aim at credit building, but through very different models. Next step is simple. Choose the system that matches how you want to manage money every month, then stay consistent long enough for your payment history to actually matter. Like and subscribe for more clear comparisons of credit tools without the confusion.